Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jane with Limeade Gal Crafts. I wanted to show you the process that we're at in making the journal. I went ahead in the last video, we talked about getting ready to paint or cover your journal with paper. So I went ahead and did a combination of some painting and also using some paper. I used the Echo Park Cardabella paper, the In Vogue collection. I believe it's from 2019. I really like this collection. It's kind of a Paris themed. So I went with a shabby chic type of look for my journal. So I used some of the papers from the collection and I tore the paper so that the edges wouldn't just be a straight line. It would blend well with the journal cover. And then I used matte medium to apply it to the chipboard. And then I used some acrylic paints. I used a wet and dry brush method to apply the paint. And then on the spine, which I'll try to get that in the picture for you, on the spine I used some of the other paper from the collection. And I did the same thing. I applied it with the matte medium and then used dry brush method with the acrylic to just add some texture and mute the paper a little so it blended in well with the album cover. And so this is the front of the album, and then you open this side and then this side opens as well. And then in here, I just used straight paper to line it. So on this flap, I have this floral paper. And then I used a strip here. And then when you open this up, I've covered the inside with this shoe paper. And then this one is just a stripe. And then over on this side, I used pretty much the whole 12 by 12 paper. And it says Paris is always a good idea. So I do still need to add some trim or something to cover up the seams where the paper is, because since I use different pieces of paper, it's not seamless. So I am going to add some trim and things in here to cover that up. And over here as well, there's a gap. I haven't done anything with this portion yet. I'm still debating on what I want to do, so I'll probably show that in the next video. And then this spine over here, I did the same thing. I used the same papers as the other side of the spine, as well as some paint. Let me flip this over so you can see the back. So this is the base, the back of the album, and I just used little pieces of the paper that's the same as the one on the front, and I did the same thing where I collaged it on with matte medium, and I tore the edges so that it blended well into the album and it all looks like one cohesive piece instead of just chunks of paper down there. And then I used my acrylic paints, dry brush and wet method to apply them to let everything kind of merge together. I wanted to give it that old shabby chic type of look, and the theme that I'm going with is basically obviously a Paris theme, fashion type of thing. So that's where I'm at with this right now. So if you've done your cover for your album, I'd love to see photos of it. So let me know, where I can find you. If you share on Instagram, let me know where I can find you. I'd love to see your pictures. You can also use the hashtag Limeade Gal Crafts, and I will see it then. So that's hashtag Limeade Gal Crafts. So that's what I wanted to share with you so far. So on the next video, I'll be getting ready to decorate this part, and then also add some trim or something, ribbons or something in here. And then I also almost forgot to mention the top part of the album. I don't know if you remember from the last video. See if I can get a better angle of that. This was all straight across, but I want to put something up here, some type of embellishment that you'll be able to see when the album's closed, that it will peek through up here. So I went ahead and used my Dremel and cut the chipboard on both corners here, and I think it goes well with the way the rough edges are on this flap here and the flap in here. And what I want to do, like I said, is put something up in there. So I'll show all of those steps in the next video. If you have any questions on how to cover your album, please leave a comment below, and I will try to help you as best as I can. Hope you're having a great day, and happy crafting. Bye.